Hello, I'm Ann Sanchez from the Customer Success Team. Welcome back to the Argos X Academy. In this lesson, we'll explore the Argos X interface and show you how to efficiently navigate folders, search for content, use shortcuts, and manage data block options. When you log into Argos X, you'll immediately see the folders, data blocks, dashboards, and reports you have access to. By default, they're displayed in a grid view, allowing you to see more content at once. If you prefer, you can switch to the list view for a more traditional output. As content grows, filters and sorting make it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. So for example, you can filter by the object type, only data blocks, folders, or other objects. If you know the author, you can filter by their name. You can also filter by the activity date. To quickly find recently updated content. Finally, you can sort your content alphabetically or by date created, last update, or last view, depending on how you'd like to organize your view. Let's open one of our folders. As you navigate, notice the breadcrumb trail at the top of the page. It makes it easy to see where you are and quickly return to a previous folder. If you already know what you're looking for, you can also use the search box instead of browsing. So for example, I'll search for academic engagement. Argos X returns all matching data blocks, and selecting one takes you directly to it. If you prefer, you can use the Explorer tree on the left-hand side of your screen. You can pin or unpin it based on your preference. And from here, you'll have quick access to your shortcuts and recently viewed data blocks and report. So now let's go ahead and take a look at a data block. There are several actions available on this screen. First, you can add the data block to your shortcuts by clicking on the star icon. You can choose whether the shortcut is public or private, give it a name, and organize it however you'd like. Now let's open the More Actions menu. Here you'll find several additional options. You can view details about the data block, including its name, description, data connection, author, creation date, last modified date, and last run information. If notes have been added to the data block, you can also view and manage them from here. You can share the data block by email or simply copy a link directly to your clipboard to share with others. You also have another option to add the data block to your shortcuts here, just like what we saw with the star icon. Another useful feature is embed. Argos X allows you to generate either a direct link or HTML iframe code for embedding dashboards into another website. You can also choose whether to display items like the run bar, report selector, and save settings. So let's copy the link and see what it looks like. Notice that the dashboard opens without the surrounding navigation, making it ideal for embedding into another application or website. Back on the dashboard screen, the final option is change connection. This allows you to temporarily run the data block against a different data connection without changing its default connection. The next time you open the data block, it automatically returns it to its original default connection. Looking for recommendations on organizing your folders, reports, or data blocks? Our customer success team would be happy to share best practices. Just email engagement@evisions.com. In the next lesson, we will look at running reports and use the Explore report data to gain even more insight from your data. We'll see you then.